So guys, let's test our circular saw from Parkside. We test it in the, I think this is 2 inches pipe. I make the mark here because in the future it will put it together again. We weld it again because I sent it to the Philippines. This is the speaker stand, and I put number to make sure the partner, and we'll cut here and we put a line here. Okay, let's do it. I cut this because it's not fitted in this box, you know. Look, so I will cut it to fit it in the box. This box is going to the Philippines. All my stuff here in France because I'm going to Philippines for good next year maybe. So let's cut it. Yeah, I put the number. Okay, we begin in number 1. This is number 1. Look. Number 1. Like I said, this is the speaker stand. So let's try. Bit adjust. Wala. Look, less than 1 second. We cut it. Next. Yes, and less than 1 second. Voila. Number 3. Yes, so pass. Voila. Look. This is my Parkside chop cutting saw. $1,280 not bad. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, Jerby TV. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.